I wig always love you. Ooh. Hello my loves, I hope we're focused. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another wig review, and this one is another Janet Collection wig, and it is actually sponsored by Janet Collection, which excites me so much because I love working with brands that I already enjoy and like most of their products. So of course I have you guys to thank. Your support helps me get brands to want to work with me, and I love Janet Collection. It's one of my favorite brands. It's my first brand that I ever purchased, but anyway, neither here nor there. I'm coming to you guys with a wig review, and this one is the Janet Collection Kiss Part Orbit, and this one is in the shade Diamond. I think it is already naturally a side part, so I'm super excited. I've seen this one around. I don't think I've seen anyone review it, but I haven't really looked in depth like I normally look. So I'm going to go ahead, pop her out of the packaging, and we're going to try her on. My beauty space is a mess right now because that's all I've been reviewing is wigs. So I'm pre-filming these wig reviews, and my room here looks a mess. So I have to spend this weekend actually organizing and cleaning and throwing away stuff. So, ew. Ooh, wow, that's a unique color. This is a color, of course, that's like grayish to me. Oh my god, she's got a great color. She's like blonde with purple and a little bit of yellowy blonde and some burgundy and browns. Wow, I've never seen colors like that. So it has a dark root, not a 1B per se, but it has more like of a dark brown to like a red Merlot, purple highlights with blonde in it. And then it goes into this gradient of like a gray toned blonde with purple highlights. It's so awesome looking. This Janet Collection wig has no combs on the cap. That's a first, but what it does have is, I noticed this is in another wig of another brand, is they sewed hairs on the perimeter of it right under the wig cap. I don't know if you guys can see that. They sewed some hairs, like a few tracks or whatever. Interesting. The wig cap itself, this has that, what is it called, silk top, if you can see the plastic piece right here. But it's only on the section of the part, so it gives you that, I don't know, scalp color. The density of this wig feels thin. It's very silky feeling. She looks like a fun unit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw her on. Let me show you guys the cap construction. So there's no combs on the there's no combs on the cap. It does have the adjustable straps. No comb in the back, which I don't know. The hairs on this look like they've been, I don't know, like they have little filler hairs in it to make it look a little fuller. I'm not adjusting the wig in any way, shape, or form. I leave the cap on as is, and then I go, I work accordingly to that. The cap feels comfortable, per usual, per Janet Collection standards. Wow, she's so thin. Compared to like all the Janet Collection wigs that I've tried, they usually have like a lot of density and fullness. Even when they're on the thinner side, they have a lot more. This color is cute though. She is a little shiny, which, let me see if I can comb it out a little bit. Sometimes you can comb out the shine. The waves on this is really cute. I'm more intrigued about the color though. So this has natural, well, not natural. This has some wave structure to it, and the bottoms are pretty straight. Huh. For a wig that doesn't have lace, it's not bad. But I think that anybody that really is familiar with wigs, they know that they can like take some hairs out and make, let me just pop this hair out. I could already tell it's just gonna be in my face. They can usually take like a little bit of the wig right here and create their own baby hairs, so it makes it look a little bit more natural. So this is the one she has on. I have the one that the model has on. I feel like this looks deeper. I'll show you guys what the front looks like. Let me take a step back. It's very short. It's about maybe 14 to 16 inches. Sorry, the girls aren't up high. Not today. Let me show you guys the back. Again, I don't know what the back looked like until I show you guys pretty much as I'm editing this. It feels pretty good. It feels like you don't really see the tracks. I could be wrong. Again, it goes to like the midline of my back. I'm just prepping my little baby. I don't know what this is, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Right here, I would be mindful that because this isn't a lace front, you would have to finesse this little part right here. It happens with all these kinds of wigs. I'm not sure if I can pluck the hairs from there, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the easy way out and I'm going to add some powder of my color to this wig. This is my NYX powder that some cat named Ashhole Miyagi knocked to the ground. So yeah, cleaning that up a little bit helps a lot. And using your own tone of color. Like, I don't know anyone that's that scalp color, but I could be wrong. I like the texture of this wig. I love the color. That's dope. To me, the color is dope AF. I want to see something here. I want to... Oh, that's cute. Tucking it behind the ear like that makes it look a little bit more natural. Like I said earlier, it was shiny, but as I'm playing with it, it looks really, really good and more of a natural. I like it. It's just, like I said, I'm just a little taken aback because it's like, oh, okay. I think if they were to make a wig that was all this diamond color with just the dark root, but the rest of the hair was all like this, I think it would look 110% like poppin'. I love the density of this wig. I'm taken aback by it because I'm not used to Janet Collection creating a thinner unit like this. I haven't tried every one of their wigs. Maybe one day. The model wears it really well. She looks cute in it. I, of course, like this right here. I like that I'm able to like tuck it behind the ear and make it look more like my hair. Like and I can work with this. It's not in my face. It's not uncomfortable. The wig cap feels comfortable enough. If you had more hair, you could definitely fill this out way better than I can. There's no humpage in the back where I'm like worried about it looking like super fake, which I like. I don't see any tracks or anything like that. It is really cute. I like this like pinup like wave. Like this is like an ocean wave, like a definite wave. All right, Janet. This one's heat safe up to 360 degrees. Like I think all of their Janet collections, all the Janet Collection wigs are like that. It comes in the 1Bs, the 2s. It comes in the was it 1B30? It comes in burgundy, chocolate, caramel, cream, and diamond cream. Looks extremely pale. So if you want highlights, like really bright cream highlights on the bottom, that one looks dope as well. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Janet Collection wig in the Kiss Part Orbit in the shade Diamond. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.